Recently, researchers have demonstrated the direct detection of magnons using momentum-resolved ELS, QELS, at nanoscale spatial resolution. Magnons are quasiparticles associated with electron spin wave excitations in magnetically ordered crystalline materials. However, magnon excitations, similar to phonons, are low-energy excitations, in the order of 100 MeV. Tools with extremely high energy resolution is required to detect them using electron spectroscopy. But exploiting the interaction of magnons with phonons through magnon-phonon coupling can facilitate the detection of magnons. Research used high-energy resolution monochromated EELS STEM, Hermes, for measuring magnon-phonon coupling in yttrium iron garnet, YIG, Y3Fe5A2. We are using this case just for demonstration of Uni-Measure Hub software capability to handle measurement of complex structures. Thank you for attention.